Hello and welcome to the video. It's Boxing Day. Hope you had a fantastic Christmas and Santa was very good to you. Now this one is another giveaway today, and it is for the same thing that we did on Christmas Eve. Now that is for a 2-month subscription to the eCalc website, so you can go in there and try things out. Again, eCalc is fantastically useful if you are trying to figure out what motor, prop and ESC combination is going to work on your particular model, or maybe you have an existing model and you want to make it fly faster, you want it to be more efficient, or you want it to make it easier to launch. What do you need to tweak? You can kind of put all the numbers in here and put the motor, ESC and prop you've got, tweak things like pitch and diameter and all that stuff to see what difference it actually makes. It's incredibly useful. I've used it an awful lot here and dialed in specific setups that I wasn't completely happy with, and it stopped that kind of iterative buying of props and motors that can get quite expensive. So if you want to be in with a chance of winning this subscription to eCalc, then standard stuff like, comment, subscribe, and I'll pick the stuff with a random comment picker in the new year. Stay tuned, there are more giveaways coming on the channel. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that if you're trying to learn a topic will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.